Hey guys, this is Explosive Games. Today I'll be doing a knife review over the knife I made. And let's get to. Hey guys, so this is the knife I made. It was supposed to be a Karambit, but I messed up. So I was using the plasma cutter and I cut it too far. So it's supposed to be Karambit, and the hole is too big. I made the knife way too small. But I'm doing this video to show that not everyone's perfect. Once you make something, try again. But it did turn out kind of good, but you can't like spin it around like on your fingers because it's too small. But I mean, it's pretty decent. Sharp. This took me 3 or 4 days, and then I sharpened it on a whetstone for like an hour or something, and then I honed it with the leather wheel, and yeah, so I used the plasma cutter, then I used mango grinder to clean up the stuff, like little bumps and where it melted it, and then I used the grinding wheel and to kind of make a bevel on it. Then I used the files to make the bevel kind of finer, and then like I said, I used the whetstone to sharpen it, and then I honed it. Yeah, and then polished it on the grill with some chrome thing called chrome cast. Yeah, that's pretty much the knife. So let's get to the. Okay, so this is a leather sheath. I still need to trim this off. I just got an old piece of leather, some string, and sewed it together. So what I'm going to do, because it's so loose, so when you put the knife in there and you're like jumping around, it'll probably like fall out. I can't like show you because I'm on a glass table and I won't break. By the way, forgot to mention that this knife is made out of a saw blade. Okay, so I don't have a leather puncher. I'll have to go buy one, but because instead of like sewing one on there, I'm gonna just punch a hole right there, and right there, and right there, and then right there with a leather puncher. And then I'm going to put a slit down, so that way when you put the slit down, it doesn't keep slitting. And you can just stick your belt in there. Also, I'm going to add like an extension right here. So it will have a pretty thick piece of leather right here, and then it'll have something that wraps around so it can hold the knife in place. Yeah, thanks for watching. Yeah, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and check out my other videos. See ya.